Ndị be anyị ekeleni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, ekabarụ ka ị subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife, idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you.
If I may ask, which state are you from?
Aba State, but I stay in Ghana.
Okay, because already we have a commissioner from Aba State that you are working closely with.
I'm from Aba. I'm the secretary for Aba State.
Okay.
Okay, you done? Dr. Ngozi, you are done?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you. Ms. Jennifer, you are good to go, right?
No, my question has not been answered. I spoke about the religion and also the
I think Sister
governors.
Yeah,
the governor issue.
Okay.
Hello, Jennifer. Thank you for that question.
Yes.
What I always say when it comes to religion and all of that, our foundation is our constitution, because in the constitution we got the three arms of religion, and it's important that we continue to explain to Biafrans that people's conscience matters, people's freedom of religion matters. And to be able to achieve that, we have to respect each other's boundary, in as much as we all proclaim one God, one Chi. And also we're laying instructions on ground at the moment with developing the different departments and what is expected of those departments. We don't want religious chaos where you stand on the pulpit and preach against other people's religion. It's a religion built on love, built on freedom, built on understanding. There's an adage that says we have to go back to our first love. Our first love is God, and God is not a God of chaos. But for us, it's important that we adhere to our constitution, because every policy we're going to be explaining our department is going to be derived from our constitution. And it's good Biafrans understand the constitution, and I'm praying hopefully Biafrans will be able to get a copy of those constitutions to be able to know what is expected. Our religion is not a religion that kills people because they don't belong to, they are not Catholic, or they are not pagans, or they are not from the Jewish community. It's a religion that respects everybody's religion. And that's the only way we can work together. We are not going to step on each other's toes just to prove that our one is the best or that one is not the best. That is why we have to work from our constitution. So every document we are generating is based from what is on our constitution, and that is going to be the guide for everybody. Because religion has caused so much chaos, and religion is what put us where we are at the moment, and we don't want to go back there again. So the instruction is going to be very, very clear. And we're hoping as time goes on, as soon as we put everything together, we'll be able to invite the 40 states. And each of the 40 states will be able to appoint somebody that will lead the Christianity, the Judaism, the traditional from each state. But at the moment, the policies, the procedures, all the different departments, we're putting it together, and we'll be making that known to all Biafrans. So it's going to be freedom of religion, but freedom of religion with very close monitoring. Because when you go to, for example, I'm a Catholic. When you go to Catholicism, there are things that might be happening there that shouldn't be happening. Because religion is not a bondage. It's a freedom to love your neighbor as you love yourself. That's the foundation of all religion. So that is where we're aiming at. It's going to be something of love, not of killing, not of chaos, not of intimidation, not of bullying. But there's so much bullying in religion, and we don't want that. There's so much killing in religion, and we don't want that. So the foundation is going to be strong, and our people need to understand that. Because before the Fulani happened to us, our community used to be very peaceful. Everybody loved one another. You go to people's house, you sit, you relax. At night, you sit down in the open and you tell stories. Your grandma tells you stories, but now nobody can even be outside at 9 o'clock in the villages. So there are certain traditions that we love, that need to come back, and we need to respect that. We're all going back to our first love. The love of God and love of our neighbor. No matter what religion you belong to, this is going to be our key. It's going to be our mission. This is going to be our vision for the Biafra people. So every Biafran is going back to their first love. That's the love of God and love of neighbor. That's where everything is. And it relates to every department. We're not going to be preaching religion. We're going to be preaching understanding of that God that created us, that makes us one, no matter who you are, tall, strong, rich, or poor. It doesn't matter, it's the same God. So that's what we are aiming to achieve. And hopefully we are asking the government if they can allow us to have like a Zoom meeting with all the 40 states to be able to tell them what we've done so far and how we're going to implement that. That's where we are.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this explanation. That's good.
Yeah. She had
Then
also
let's the
asked a question.
Yeah. The governors, yes.
Can you please hold? That's what I'm trying to.
Go ahead.
Yeah, she also asked a question about the governors and then helping them with finance and everything. Sister, I know you are aware that we are barely 4 months, and beside the destructive or the destruction and chaos caused or created by the fallbacks, right? So those were really, really enormous. We came into the house empty. Okay? And then we've been doing our best. We've been making a judicious expenditure with the little that we have. And then you know that the most important thing at that beginning, or still now, is making sure that the welfare of our angels are being taken care of, and then making sure that they're well placed a position with what we have. Asị ebe aka ruru nwanyị ka ọ na-atụkwasị di ya. So mmadụ anaghị agba ọbara karịa otu ọha. So what we're doing is that, like I said, we've been very, very judicious in the budgeting that we're making and then what we have. And we're trying to manage it. So the governors are all aware. And then that is why we are requesting or asking for anyone, no fedema, there's nothing and that is why we are, telling Biafrans, to go into your heart and then do what you're supposed to do. And then our azatala azawute. What we're doing now, aina azala, and that Allah, what it requires is money, and everyone should know that this is the fact. So that is what is happening. Okay? And then we are also working on other means to help us get more support. It's one day at a time. And then everyone has to work collectively together to make it happen. Thank you very much for your question.
Thank you very much. My DPM, please, Jide, God, we are all solidly behind you. Wherever we are solidly behind you. I listen to our program, every program, I listen to it. So Jide Kiji.
Please, can you permit me? I have been heard me.
Thank you.
But please go, please.
Okay, Ms. Jennifer, I have a task for you. You say you are from Aba State. We need a media representative from Aba. We don't have any at all. So
Okay, I will tell my governor.
Okay.
I will tell my governor.
Thank you.
Media representative. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Please,
Okay, the next person is Tony. You.
It's like you're just shopping in this program.
No, I've been saying it on earth. Any opportunity, I just say it out there. You know?
Thank you.
Thank you. At least that's the advantage.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Tony,
Yes.
go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you. I'm calling from Ohabin State, homeland, the admin. First and foremost, want to appreciate our DPM for her relentlessness and the cabinet, because she reached out to all the governors and other people at home. She's a wonderful lady. Then I have a question to ask, not the cabinet, not the DPM, but among us that ask a question. That my question is this: have any of us, all these people like Chinedu and other people asking questions, ask themselves, what should I do now so that Biafra will come now, not tomorrow? That is individual question. Have they done that? Not asking DPM, this, have done that, have done that. And have you asked yourself, nobody in Biafra land, what should I do so that Biafra will come today? That is one question. Number two, all these questions they are asking, this one is not a question, but all these questions they are asking have been answered by Union, answered by PM, answered by DPM. Why are they drawing us back instead of bringing positive words forward? Where are we lacking? What I'm expecting from next time, from tomorrow, is who we call DPM. What do you need from me so that this Biafra will come today? Whoever asks that question, let the person supply whatever he needs to supply so that this thing will quicken. Let us not draw this cabinet back. Shalom with Chineke.
Tony, biko kanjogi. Admin ndị Ohabenyi.
Yes, mommy.
Because the name I have here is Mazi Bonaventure Amechi.
Oh, one carry the
Otego Obadia, a commissioner from your state, and it has not happened. I'm putting it on you.
You say you gave a commissioner from the state?
Yes. No. From Ohabenya, I've been calling them. And
you have to you have to talk with Tony, the person that is here. And then again, everyone, when you are talking with any administrator in Homeland, please confirm that first before you proceed, to ensure that you're not talking to these criminals that are pretending to be following and working for the United States of Biafra government, please.
So, Tony, can you give me your number, please?
You can take your number and
give me your number so that I will chat you up.
Okay, +254 785
7
78524
Yes.
7700.
Plus 254 7824 77.
No, plus 254 is the code.
Okay, okay.
78524
Yes.
7700.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. What's the last four of your phone number?
My own. 8131. The one I used to use WhatsApp, and I have the one 1344.
Did you get the appointment letter?
No, ma. I told you, should I forward my email address or how do I go about with it?
No, just send me a text. Let me see, because we have a couple of you that say doing great job. Just send me a text.
Okay.
Right, thank you. Let's go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Next person is Mazi Drake. Are you there? Mazi Drake NK. Mazi Drake. Okay, maybe he has left. Okay. Mazi David Waha. David Waha. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. All protocols observed. I appreciate everything you guys are doing to in fighting for my freedom. My question first is with regards to Department of Agriculture. I would like to contribute a little I know about, although I'm not practically, I know much, which will help our people. I would like to get whom to talk to, or who can call me so that I can render my service. Then my question.
Dr. Ferdinand, are you here? Go ahead.
No, he's not.
Go ahead.
My question with regards to my ID card. I'm supposed to get my ID card when we were in Finland. It was approved and it is still approved. I have complained before. I have not received any information about it. If you go to the website, it's still approved. So I would like to know what at least the situation. If you want, I can give you the number of my card.
Is Dr. Dorothy here? Dr. Dorothy is not here, so that's the person in charge of the ID card. So you can send a text to that department.
I'm here live and direct.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I thought you were taking a nap.
Goodness.
So he was asking of his ID. We have one that has gone for printing right now. So, like I said earlier on, if you have received an email indicating that your application has been approved, in quotes, approved, then know that your ID has gone for printing. Then if you have not received any email regarding and not short of not being approved, please, and again, kindly go back to your applications, check the application and see what you have not done right and do it right, and automatically you will get approved on your application. I'm talking about the old form, but for the new form, the same thing, check back again, make sure your address is there, your right passport photo 2x2 is there. And also, when you are uploading any, okay, there's no uploading of ID, but if you had the opportunity of uploading ID, make sure your passport picture is attached to your certificate. The same thing with the older form, because many people undocumented applicants have just sent in their certificates, maybe something like birth certificates and other identification documents without including their passport photo. So please, we oblige you to kindly go back, pick up those documents, attach your passport photo. So when we are checking your passport photo at the end of it, we'll be able to coincide and make sure that the two certificate passport photo on the certificate and the ordinary passport you uploaded at the end is the same thing.
Dr. Dorothy, please, I would like to give you my number because I have sent email, I have called several times. I just want somebody to confirm that, because has been approved before. I would say the first day it was announced. That was the day I paid.
Okay, go ahead and give the number. She will check it later and call you, please. Just do that.
The number is BSA 49325.
You know what? Because I can't carry that on my head now. There is an email here. Please, can you just email us with that?
Please, if you can take the number, I have the email and I've been calling.
Okay, go ahead with the number.
No way you have been emailing without us sending your reply to your email. It's not possible. So let me get the name. Let me get the number.
Number is BSA 49325.
1 second. 493.
Yes, 25.
And what's the name?
David Nwaha. David Nwabeze Uche Nwaha.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 815-847-0343.
Can I have your email better, please? Because I've been pulling
my email is LOCI Quest. That's QUEST. QUEST Quest. That's 2001 at yahoo.com.
2001. Okay.
On the website, it's still approved.
Then it has gone for printing then.
No, I just want somebody to confirm because I've been calling. Just check it. Let me know.
She will get back to you, please. Can we move on?
Okay.
Stop writing this thing you're writing on the defense.
Should I go on?
I don't know what he means by that, please. Oh my goodness. Please, let's go. Let's move on.
So you have to worship it by being naked.
David, somebody's gonna get back to you, please. Let's move on. Thank you. We don't have to go there for this.
Okay, the next person is Mazin Naji Stanley Onyeka. Are you there? Mazin Naji Onyeka, are you here? He just left. Okay. Mazi Drake, are you awake? Mr. X. Drake. Oh, I think he's sleeping. Next person is Christy.
There one.
Can you hear me? Okay. Good evening.
No, Mazi Naji.
Stanley, go ahead.
Okay. Good evening, BIAFRANS.
Okay.
Just want to thank you, Madam Ngozi Orabeze, for your good work. And I say may Ebuka Obi keep on protecting you and the whole cabinet member that is working with you. I just want to use the opportunity and to clear something to our people, because on can be hand HFH. Because in case our leader NNAMDI Kanu, I could remember that PM said that we can't take instruction from someone that is in prison. So them saying that coming together and coming out saying that this person you bring information to this one. Normally they should also trace back and remember what PM said during Mazin Amdikan's case as well. So we can't take any information from someone that they are holding. So that is number one. Number two is that saying that our madam took just hijacked power. I believe that I don't think there is any other power that is higher than the COS that she's handling before. So with that power alone, she can take over from PM. So I just
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media boy by siwene utenu nyabo zi dio kempa basta back yene na Nigeria and yene menebe di chiche na Eastern region and ono no kosi adana Finland and Biafran Prime Minister KC Judea the update and yabo Biafran declaration came na Finland so yene na kaya aine utelu niru akwụkwọ kifi were ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ihe chief of staff kwugasi n'iru akwụkwọ ya na ebe ọtọgasị aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bụ ife ka isi ka tinyere unu kunu gwa ifu nche n'ụdị nkunu gbasata maka ya bụ ife ngwa daro dị nke